Because identifying intervals is such a challenging part of ear training in general, I want to spend the last 2 days of our 30-day set doing all 8. Now, you've learned 4 different songs, 4 different types of intervals, but we have 8 variables because these can either go up or they can go down. So let's really quickly review our 4 different types, whether we hear them upwards or downwards. We'll start with a minor third. Green sleeves, ba, da, da, da. And if you hear it backwards, ba, ba, flip it in your head to ba, ba. So you can hear that green sleeves melody for a minor third. Major third. Oh, when the saints. And again, remember, we do a mental flip. If we hear it backwards, ba, ba, oh, when the saints. Perfect fourth. Here comes the bride. Okay, and hear it backwards. Perfect fourth. Ba, ba. Perfect fifth. Lavender's blue. Ba, 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 ba. Hearing it flipped. Perfect fifth, we go ba, ba. We do that inner rotation. 8 different variables. You got to get them both right each time. Do your best. And again, we'll do this tomorrow. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Major third. Perfect fifth. Major third. Perfect fourth. Perfect fourth. Minor third. Perfect fifth. Major third. Perfect fifth. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Let's do 2 more. Minor third.